This week I am testing the Volkswagen Amarok dual cab ute. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfaSecure. In the back of the Volkswagen Amarok there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're within slits of the seat fabric. They're nice and easy to connect to as well. Now, there are top tether anchorages for both of the outer rear seats only, and they are metal bars fixed to the body of the ute behind the rear seat back. So you pull the rear seat back forward in one big piece and you attach the top tethers through there. Now, it is a little bit of a tricky job if you've got two child seats to install at the same time, but with a bit of work you can manage it. I have got the InfaSecure Adapt More rear-facing capsule behind the driver and the InfaSecure Achieve More forward-facing behind the passenger. Now, they fit really nicely, and with the rear-facing Adapt More we could fit about a 178 centimetre driver in front. With the forward-facing child seat you can easily fit a 186 centimetre plus passenger in front. Now, if you really need to, you can put an InfaSecure versatile folding booster seat in that central seat because it doesn't need an anchor, and that's for older children. Or an adult passenger can fit between the two child seats in the back. The InfaSecure Adapt More infant capsule is perfect for use in the Volkswagen Amarok and other dual cab utes because the seat base here has the top tether anchorage strap attached to it. So once you've installed the seat base and the top tether anchorage in the car, then you never have to remove it. It remains there. You simply take the capsule itself in and out of the car when you want to, with your infant in it. The top tether anchorage is not attached to the capsule itself, so you don't have to readjust it and reattach it every time you take the capsule in and out. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, so you can keep passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also a 12-volt socket back there, so you can charge eskies and things like that too. Storage in the back of the Volkswagen Amarok is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with two cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold and conceal an iPad, and above them at the top of the seat backs there are two little pockets that are really good for putting kids' snacks or phones and things like that. In the footwell in front of the seat base there are three other little pockets, also good for popping phones and snacks and anything else. There are door bins in the back that are a good size. They'll hold a reusable water bottle and an iPad fits in them too. Storage in the front is good too. There are two cup holders in the central console that will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a good sized central console box, and in front of the gear lever is a wireless phone charging well. The glove box is a good size in here. That will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad fits in them too. The media system in the Volkswagen Amarok is really lovely and modern and easy to use. It's got built-in sat-nav, and you can control the radio through here, and through the vehicles tab you can control lots of things throughout the car, which is really great. Now you can control the climate through the screen here too. It's really lovely and easy to use, a touch screen. And when you put it into reverse, the camera images are really lovely and clear. You've got the overhead view as well as the rear view, and you can turn the parking sensors on and off here, which is really nice and easy. Now you've also got Apple CarPlay in the media screen as well as Android Auto. Now the tailgate of the Volkswagen Amarok drops down really easily. It is heavy though, so you've got to make sure you've got no little ones around that it can fall on their head. Let's find out what we can fit in the tray.
The tray will hold 31 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 18 shopping bags, or whatever size large dogs you need to fit. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Jiffle Wagon, which is a versatile 6-in-1 pram. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Jiffle Wagon cart fits in the tray of the Volkswagen Amarok dual cab ute with 23 shopping bags, and the Jiffle Wagon holds up to 60 kilos of cargo inside the wagon too. The Jiffle Wagon with its seat fits with 19 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon with the Adaptmore infant capsule installed into the car fits with 23 shopping bags. And the Jiffle Wagon with its bassinet fits with 16 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Jiffle Wagon.
The Volkswagen Amarok is a really good dual cab ute to drive. It feels really nippy and agile for a big dual cab ute. The steering is nice and light, and the turning circle is really tight for a big dual cab ute too. It's similar to that of some cars, to be honest. Now, visibility is really good in here because you sit up nice and high. You can still see out of the back windscreen even with the 3 child seats in the back, which is good too. I've found that this is really good just around town for school and supermarket car parks. It's really nice and easy to do, and school drop-offs are fine in this too, even though it is a big car. So to sum up with the Volkswagen Amarok, it does make a great baby drive. You can fit those 2 InfaSecure child seats in the outer rear seats, and you can put the InfaSecure versatile folding booster seat in the central seat for an older kid if you need to. Legroom is not bad in here. If you've got the rear facing child seat, you can fit about a 178 centimetre driver in front of it, or with rear facing child seats, then much taller passengers in front. Obviously, with the tray in the back, you can fit anything you need to in there, any size family dog or pram, and it's great for camping trips. You can also use the footwell in the back for smaller prams for day-to-day life. The drive is great, and it's perfect for off-road and adventuring, and the media system is good too.